Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can track the motion of a subject in Adobe After Effects. So I'm using Adobe After Effects 2020. So this applies for the rest of the version 2. So what you want to do is, so first open the After Effects, then you'll be in this menu. So I'm going to be selecting a new composition from a footage. So I'm going to be choosing a footage here. So I'm going to be tracking myself here. So first of all, what you want to do is you need to go to, so I'm using the green screen here so that I can remove the background and then replace it with another background. So you need to open the effects and presets channel, or if you don't have it, go here and then select effects and preset, make sure that it is ticked. Then in the king section of the effects and presets, you'll find key light. So apply this key light to the composition, then click on here. So it shows the green color, so we're just going to remove the green color. And then, so let me import a background here. So I'm going to be importing this background. With creating the composition, have the option ticked here, so import it. So I'm going to be, I'm going to keep this background below so that now the image is applied to the background. So now part1.info, click on it. So before that, I'm going to be creating a new null object. Then click on your main footage, then go to animation and go to track motion. So I need to track myself here to move this here. I'll be tracking this. So while tracking a part of a subject, you need to realize one thing, that it should not be inside this box. So this outer box is that it locates your uh, subject of what is inside this small box, and what you choose inside this small box is tracked with the help of this outer box. So in this small box you need to keep the subject which should be tracked throughout the video, and the outer box is for locating what is inside the small box. So that's how you do it. And the larger you're tracking the small box, the more time it takes to render. So I don't need to choose that much. I'm just going to put the box here because this uh, denim jackets button is only present here around this box, but the denim jacket button is white. So if I click this first, then white will be tracked here as well. That's why I'm going to be only tracking this much. Then what you need to do is, so I'm going to start tracking it. So as you can see, the button is perfect. So it stopped tracking the button at some point. So for that solution, you need to go to that timeline Then so right here it stopped tracking the button right here, right? So you need to relocate this, then start again. So as you can see, the button was perfectly tracked. So after you complete tracking the subject of a video, you need to go to the edit target. You need to select the null one, click on OK, and apply it to the X and Y dimensions. Then so that's okay. So I'm going to be putting something. So since the button is tracked, so if you keep an object near that button, so it will go along with the button. So that's the use of the motion tracking. So I'm going to be importing a picture here on the desktop. So I just put it a sword. So I'm gonna select the sword. I'm gonna make it small. So I'm gonna keep it here. Then I'm going to add this to the null one, like that. So when the video starts, the sword moves along with the button. So it is following where the button is and is moving along with that. So that's how you use the motion tracking in After Effects. Thanks for watching. See you next.